Thanks for joining us. As you can see, we've taken all the unnecessary parts off the Titan. The grill, the bumper, the inner fenders, and the outer fenders. And that'll just give us a lot of room to be able to work with the suspension. And removing the entire suspension, we're going to remove the steering system, we're going to remove the front drivetrain, and pretty much everything. So you'll be seeing our truck, and it'll just be hanging in the air soon. Thanks for joining us. Hey guys, how's it going? So where we're at right now is we've taken off the front axle, we've taken off the upper control arms, the lower control arms, the knuckles, the steering rack. We've taken off some of the steering linkage from the steering wheel to the actual steering rack because it has to be modified. As you can see, the truck is pretty much just hanging in the air, and I guess the next thing we're going to tackle is we're going to plasma cut off the OEM frame mounts. So pretty much right here we'll just be taking it all off and having just the bare frame, and then we'll start welding on components. We've dove into modifying the steering a little bit. We're going to use some Delrin solid mounts, and also going to upgrade the, or not upgrade, but just kind of just Hey guys, so as you can see, we've made a lot of progress on the Titan, I guess the teardown. We kind of took the upper control arms off, the lower control arms, taking off the entire brake system and the front door.